Here's the equipment you need while taking soil health samples in the field. The first thing we need is a soil probe. This is what we'll be taking the majority of our samples with. Any probe you already use for fertility or for pathogens is perfectly adequate. We just want to make sure that we have a marking 6 inches from the tip, because that's how deep into the soil we'll be sampling. If we don't have a soil probe, we can use a shovel. We would bring probably a sharpshooter with us, like this, or a spade, either works. In addition to that, we're also going to want to bring our soil knife with us. This has inch markings on it, which is pretty helpful, as well as having sharp edges so that we can cut through thick residue in the soil. We'll also want to bring at least 1 bucket. I would probably bring 2. This is so that we can collect all of our composite soil together, and also that we can carry some of our equipment in and out of the field. We're also going to want to bring whatever bags we're putting all of these samples into. Whatever lab you're sending your samples to might have a protocol specific for what kind of containers they would like, or they may provide you with containers, but usually we use these gallon zip top freezer bags. I would bring them to the field pre-labeled, of course, but if you don't, make sure you bring a permanent marker to make any changes that you might need. We're also going to bring a screwdriver into the field. This is mostly to get soil that gets stuck in the soil probe back out of the soil probe. If we're not bringing an extra bucket, we might want to bring a backpack to carry all of our equipment into the field. And last but not least, we'll want to have a cooler sitting in the car with some ice packs in it. The reason we want ice packs in there is because since we're taking biological samples, we want to make sure we're not overly stressing the soil before it gets to the lab. And that's all you need.